So for us today that we have half day tour, we will visit the floating village, or we call fishing village. And this village is cost 33 kilometers from the town, and we will take about nearly 1 hour on the bus. And after the bus, we will change from the bus to the boat for visit this village. Also, like this month in Cambodia start to be dry season. Like we have a third month is a dry season, so the water not very high yet. It start to be dry now, but not yet very dry. And it's will take a bit longer by boat also. And also before the boat, that it takes about 30 minutes.
Hi sir, what's your name sir?
Yes.
What's your name? What's your name?
Melvin.
And ayan, meron namang may nagsasagwan naman. So, kami ni Kimmer nakaupo lang. Yan, nakaupo lang kami. Ayan, nagtitingin-tingin ng mga puno. O, di ba? Kakaiba yan. Kakaibang puno yan. Wala yan sa Pilipinas. Sabi nila may crocodile daw dito. Ayan o! Ayan o! Ayun o! Kita mo ba yan? Ay, hindi pala. Joke lang. Ano, crocodile. Wala yung sakay nila. Oh. Yeah. Laps, umilag ka laps. So, ngayon guys, nandito kami sa ibabaw ng tubig. Boat. And nag-order kami na Tonle Saps. Saan na yun? Ito. $6. And fresh coconut, $2. How was the trip there on the river?
Amazing.
Amazing, yeah.
Lots of crocodile.
There's a lot of crocodile there.
Buhaya sa ilan.
And there's a lot of trees.
Yun din yung ano dun, bita.
Oh, ang daming mga yung parang
Bita, para pag din sila.
para sa nguso ng crocodile, no? Para pag yung gusto makagat ng crocodile, nanlulusot yung bibig nila. So, yun yung itsura ng dito. Para ang bilog lang. This is the night market in Cambodia. Pops. May ganyan pala. Pandala.
4,000.
Yeah.
4,000.
Kuha ka mo. Video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, let's taste it. So ito guys, kumain kami sa Dan Mahob Kimmer Restaurant. So ito yung mga in-order namin. Chicken satay and ano nga ito?
Sweet and sour.
Yun, sweet and sour pork, and ito yung scallops. And sex on the beach, and also draft beer, and yung Kimmer mango juice. And yes, ang sarap. Check-in, baggage.
Bigyan tayo ng
Ito pala yung mapa eh. Good morning guys. Parang ano masyado tayong maliwanag. So ngayon, January 30, nandito na kami sa Phuket, Thailand. Dumating kami kahapon 6/2017. So ngayon, nagbe-breakfast kami dito sa Pano Restaurant dito sa loob ng Supalay. Scenic Beach Resort. So, kasama ko si Kimmer. Asawa ko pala yun. Pwede na! So, yan yung breakfast ngayon. Yung food namin. Yan yung mga pinili namin.
wala.
And, naubos na yung kay Kimmer. Ayan, nag-Amerikano kami. And mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung view sa labas. Masyadong maliwanag, ano? Yan yung loob ng Pano Restaurant. Yeah.